Announcing the most advanced whole home cooling and heating technology ever experienced. The Mitsubishi Electric Diamond Comfort System. The Diamond Comfort System offers unparalleled customization and scalability to provide homeowners a complete zoned comfort solution that replaces traditional HVAC systems. Regardless of your home's configuration, there is a Diamond Comfort System to match your comfort objectives, home style, and budget. At the core of the Diamond Comfort System is the MVZ Multi-Position Air Handler. The latest in Mitsubishi electric cooling and heating technology, the MVZ allows homeowners to replace virtually any traditional HVAC system without replacing the existing ductwork. Homeowners may also choose to combine a couple MVZ units to take care of an entire second floor and first floor for an efficient whole home solution. Or step up to a true zoned comfort solution that includes an MVZ for the main floor and a ductless unit for each individual room upstairs. To accomplish this, the MXZ outdoor unit is paired with the MVZ for larger zones, allowing homeowners to add up to 7 additional ductless products to address smaller zones for individualized comfort control. Products include the ceiling recessed SLZ ceiling unit, the wall-mounted and versatile MSZ, the MFZ floor-mounted unit, and the hidden, low-profile SEZ horizontal ducted indoor unit. The indoor and outdoor products of the Diamond Comfort System work together to create personalized comfort in any space of the home, while quietly saving you up to 40% versus traditional systems. Replace that old furnace during a remodel and add additional comfort zones. Or build an uber-efficient comfort system into a new home construction. The Diamond Comfort System offers the best of ducted and ductless products, enabling a true whole home zoned comfort solution. For more information about the Diamond Comfort System, visit us at MitsubishiComfort.com to learn more. Mitsubishi Electric Cooling and Heating. Make comfort personal.